How to create an ebook on Gamma in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this fast and easy guide how you can turn your ideas into a clean, shareable ebook quickly so you can publish or present it without dealing with complicated tools. Start by opening Gamma on your browser and signing in. Once inside, choose the option to create a new project. Select the format that fits an ebook layout so your pages are structured for reading rather than slides or notes. Next, enter a topic or short description of what the ebook is about. Gamma can generate a starting outline to help organize chapters and sections. Review the structure and adjust it so the flow matches your goal. After that, begin adding content. Type your text directly into each section or paste material you already prepared. Keep paragraphs short and clear so the ebook stays easy to read. You can also add images or visual elements to support key ideas and break up long text. Move through each section and refine the layout. Adjust headings, spacing, and order so the information feels natural from start to finish. Gamma updates the design automatically, which helps keep everything clean and consistent. Once the content looks complete, preview the ebook. Scroll through it like a reader would and check if anything feels out of place. Make quick edits where needed so transitions between sections stay smooth. When everything is ready, use the export or share option. Choose a format that allows others to read or download it. This turns your project into a finished ebook that can be shared online, sent to others, or used as a digital guide. If the layout feels too simple, explore the style settings and pick a different visual theme. Small adjustments in spacing and design can make the ebook feel more polished without changing the content. Creating an ebook on Gamma gives you a fast way to move from an idea to a structured document. With the outline, editing tools, and export options in one place, you can focus on your message and produce a readable ebook without needing advanced design skills.